Hello everyone. Today's my topic is basically enhancing the programming learning curve for non-programmer through AI-enabled pedagogy 2.0. This is my topic, which means why we are discussing this topic right now, because in Pakistan we need more programmers. They can join the software industry and can earn more money, more dollars from international world. So that's why I'm taking this opportunity by your university to present my research topic that is based on pedagogy 2.0. Okay, it's a very good topic. If someone knows about the human-computer interaction, if SCI is good, human-computer interaction is good, so anyone can learn any language or anything in most of the easiest way. Okay, what's my abstract of this presentation? The aim is to demonstrate how the Pedagogy 2.0 approaches, coupled with AI assisted and human computer interaction tool, can enhance the programming learning curves for non-programmers. For those who don't know how to program, so what is the easiest way through which they can do the programming, and we can attract number of students in less interval of time. So that's why we are doing it. Okay, now, yes, this is a table of contents. The problem statement, thesis statement, methodology, and the future works. Okay, now here it is. Problem statement. Well, first of all, the research gap. Effectively impart programming skills to non-programming students due to lack of interactive learning experience. Okay, if someone from arts background and that person wants to learn programming, so it will take a lot of time. So, what is the easiest way and how they can learn the programming? That's a research gap. Problem statement. Traditional teacher method cannot solve this problem. Okay, if you are basically discussing about the traditional method, so programming skill can't be improved. So okay, that's the main issue, and we cannot address a bulk of students on or a ample amount of students at a time. So that's our main problem. Okay, see the statement. A steady pedagogy approach coupled with AI assistant human computer interaction tools can enhance programming learning curve for non-programmers. Yes, it is possible to enhance the learning curve. Okay, I've already checked this technique on those students who are non-programmers, and the skills, their skills will be is improved. Okay, now methodology. Develop an AI assistant to monitor student progress and provide personalized guidance, curative interaction programming, simulation gaming for experiential learning, design conventional tutoring interface to clarify concept through natural languages, access outcome. Okay, the thing is that if I'm giving you a very good example, if I want to print my name two times, so what is the best strategy? Okay. So the first technique is that the AI simulator will tell the pedagogy to tell you want to write, I'm writing a query that I want to code in a problem which is I want to print my name twice. Okay. Now the simulator told me there are two ways. The first way is non loop method. We are not using any loop. It means we can print our name two times. Okay. Number one, this is a conventional way. Now, if you are using loops, so there are multiple techniques. Number one, you can use if statement, you can use while statement, you can use do while statement, you can use for statement. So which technique you want to use? Okay, if basically these are there are two different ways to teach how to print your name twice. In second phase, let's say student says, I want to print my name using if statement. Okay, now if he writes, so basically the pedagogy tool, the SCI tool, the AI tool give hint. What you have to do, you have to write if. Okay, once that student write if, then it recommends. Now, print. What do you want to print? I want to print my name. Okay, and then check the condition. Okay, then the increment. So these are the things. The if statement, number one. the print, the increment, and then the loop. Okay, so basically in steps they are going to tell what you have to do. Now, later, if that person write the program correctly, now the similar task, print your teacher name twice. Okay, this is the logic. Again, that person do the same thing. Okay, so yeah, it means that person learned loops in less than 2 to 3 minutes. That's why this skill is very important for those who are not non-programmers. Now, what is pedagogy 2? Okay, pedagogy 2, what is like, why we are using it? Basically, the SCI logic, utilizing interactive multimedia tools and platform for teaching and learning, encouraging collaboration, communication among students through online forums, discussion boards, and virtual classrooms, incorporating real-world projects and case studies to make learn more relevant and practical. Yes, that's why we are using it. This is our concept, providing personalized learning experience tailored to individual and student need and preferences. Basically, student wants to learn, but they don't know what is the easiest way to learn. Okay, the programming is not a difficult language, but the point is that what techniques you are using. Okay, let's say in programming language there are not more than 4 to 5 loops are present in the different languages. Okay, if a person learn programming if statement in less than 3 minutes. Okay, so it will take if that person wants to learn 5 loops in a programming language, so how much time it takes? Okay, basically it's not more than 15 to 20 minutes. That's our main idea. That's our main goal. Okay, now student monitoring. If a person the software is giving you interaction, the software is giving you is basically doing monitoring of you. So the point number one, AI teaching assistant for personalized guidance, student program monitoring. Yes, they are monitoring the students, whatever they are doing. They are not doing chatting or they are not doing anything. They are not, they can't go here and there. Okay, so they always track what they are doing. Concept clarification. Okay, they want to ask what which activity you want to do. You want to take a quiz, you want to write a code, you want to print your name, you want to write Pakistan. What actually you want to print a star? What are the ways? Basically, in every line of code, that person, that student got the help from the AI, from the pedagogy tool, because it's a very interactive, very powerful SCI tool, human computer interaction tool that will learning AI assistant introduce a adapt its teaching strategy based on student feedback and performance. If student is happy, then AI is happy. If a student is happy, then there are a lot of ways how they can learn programming. Okay, now now here's the thing. Now, 5 steps of construction approach. The first thing is engage. We are engaging the student. They are working on a laptop, they are working on the computers. They explore something new. Okay. They want to explain something. Yes, it is there. The things are elaborate, and then the evaluate and then engage. All these things are performed by not by the faculty, but the AI. So that's why it is very, very fast. The number thing is engage. Yes, the software engage the students. Number one. Number two, explore. Okay, what actually they want to do? This is exploration. Number three, explain. The software explains you which type of code you can write here. Number four, elaborate. They are elaborating the concept, whatever actually you want to do, they will give you the complete framework. Through that framework, you can do evaluate and then give you the answer which is correct and which is right and which is wrong. So these are the things. Now, interactive programming simulations. Yes, I told you before. We have adopted this through this the 5 constructing approach. Number two is gamified learning experience. Yes, it is there because AI is there, and then is I am using it. I have already referenced the research paper, which helps me to develop pedagogy to based AI approach for programming for the new programmers, multimodal interaction. Yes, it is there. Now, the important concept is that leveraging AI and AR technologies. Augmented reality, yes, we are doing it. Cloud-based functionality you can use anywhere. You can use a simple mobile can help you if you just log in that cloud and you can do interactivity. Yes, it is very simple thing. It is very easy and one of the most fastest way. Now the inquiry cycle. Inquiry cycle number one, ask. Basically, you are asking something with the help of software, but the software gives you a hint what actually you want to do. Submit answer. The programmer give a right or wrong answer. Investigate. Investigate the right answer, that answer is correct or not through neural network, through artificial intelligence. Okay, number three, create. In case of discrepancy, take AI help. Okay, basically, if the answer is correct, it will appreciate. If the answer is incorrect, if the answer is wrong, AI generate an answer. If AI give you an answer, discuss why it is wrong, and what's the reason behind that. Number four, number five is reflect. Reflect mean which type of activity, which type of answer is correct. This again the similar task. Then that's the inquiry cycle. The inquiry cycle based on neural network, basically the TAC teaching assistant, natural language processing. It works on the character alphabets or your submitted answer. Augmented reality it give you the uh, visualize section. It give you the concept and the cloud-based functionality. It's mean you can go anywhere in the world and then you can easily connect through cloud functionality. I have reference with the paper with the 2022 or 2023 paper and in the slide. Okay, now algorithm. Yes, this is my algorithm. Okay, that's algorithm based on my logic. It will help the student a lot about the success rate. Number one, there are different concepts. The user AI number one, similarity index. The answer is similar or not. It is just like the if you are working on an LMS, learning management system. If the answer is similar, let us someone write the is basically Pakistan. Okay, I'm just giving the example, and then that person write PAAKISTAN. The similarity index is different right now. It's not correct, but the AI accepted with and give less marks. Let's say if the answer is Pakistan and then the Pakistan the spelling of this Pakistan is incorrect. Okay, but the thing is that it will accept and but award less marks because there is some sort of a mistake. That's why it's just like a similarity index. It is just like we work on the LMS and the LMS checks the answer and give you the result if this is this and we can adopt this. It's something like that. Let us someone write for a is equal to 0, a comma, and then they compare and increment. Okay, but for the increment, it writes a single statement, a single operator. So that is incorrect. Okay, but the thing is that the similarity index told the student there's something missing here. You have to write something. Okay, or give you the marks with less grade to the students right now. Okay, this is the complete algorithm. Number four, assessing learning outcome, pre and post integration evaluation. Yes, it is there. We are comparing the last result of the student and the upcoming result of the student. Well, let's say that the student appeared 5 days earlier. Then the programming skill is not much appreciable. Okay, but right now, after 3 days, after 5 days, the performance of the student is much higher, much increased. Error rate is comparatively low. Coding assessment score is there to analyze. Student engagement motivation is always there because it's very easy. No one going to insult you at any place. It always give you something. It always appreciate your learning skills. Potential impact, revolutionary programming pedagogy, improve conceptual clarity. Yes, it is always there. Enhance human interact collaboration. Yes, it is there. So it helps student a lot. Conclusion, transformative potential that is very high. The transformation is there. Basically, a virtual teacher is there to improve your skills, improve learning outcome. The thing is that the faster skills, engagement is there, monitoring is there, better concepts, clarity, non-programmers is there, simulation is there. Collaborative approach, yes. You can include more collaboration, more strength, more AI algorithm to enhance programming skills. Future direction, scalability, interdisciplinary integration, longitudinal studies. Okay, long-term exams. You can conduct exams there. Ethical consideration is there. Okay, so all these matters basically future directions, and these are the references. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I'm going to write here. If you have any comments, you can call me. You can just send me the message on my cell phone 0300 8234 205. Adnan Alam Khan. Thank you so much for your time. Allah Hafiz.